Is Photoshop getting more expensive for you? Well, I have an alternative for you, everyone. So the alternative that I have for you today is Affinity. You can download Affinity for free from the link in the description of my video. So once you download it and you install it, it's gonna look like this. I want you to click on this plus sign at the top right. And right here, I can change the page width and the height to something that I want. And this is the DPI, just like in Photoshop. You can change it, and you can change the measurement or the unit of the document to something else. So these are the units. We are in pixels right now. I'll change it to inches. Alright, so I have inches right here, and when I'm ready, I can click on create document at the very bottom. But before I do that, I'm gonna go with a preset right here. So I'll click on A5, and right here I have the layers panel. So this is the layers panel, just like Adobe Photoshop. So let me just create a new layer by clicking on this layer. So I'm going to go to the brush tool. So if you press B on the keyboard, it's gonna show you brush. So let me just maximize my brush by using the brackets on the keyboard, and let me change the color to something blue, something nice, and I'll just start painting, everyone. Alright, so let me just go with a lighter color. Alright, so I have that there, and you see it has created two layers for me. I can delete this layer by clicking on this trash can, and it will delete it. So now let's go to the text tool. I can click on the text tool right here, and I can click and start typing. So hello all. But you see my text is not showing. Why? Because it's behind this layer, so I'll have to move it up. It's right here, so now I'll have to press Ctrl A, and I'm going to change the font size to something else, maybe 96 points. And this is the move tool. If I click on it, I'll be able to move this one anywhere I'll place it over here. Okay, so now let's go to something that looks like blending options. So in Adobe Photoshop, when you want to add color overlay or gradient, you go to the blending options. So in Affinity, you can also do that by going to the effects layer. So make sure that you click on that layer first and then click on the layer effect. And right here, I can change whatever I want. For example, let me just go to the color overlay. I can click on it, but it's not changed, so I'll have to click on color and change it. Right, so you see, I'm gonna just keep it on this green. And also I can add the outer glow if I want, or the inner shadow. So the inner shadow, you might not see it because you'll have to, just increase it. I'm not a big fan of the inner shadow. And I can add the bevel. So click on it. So this is the bevel, everyone. Alright. And this is the radius. So this is the bevel. You can soften it if you want. I'll keep it like this. And yeah, I'll move it to the right so you can see what's going on there. And if you want, you can go to the gradient overlay to add a gradient. So click on it. You click on the color over here, change it to something else. But before I use, bevel and I use color overlay, we will not see the gradient overlay unless we turn it off. So now you see, I'll put I'll turn off the bevel, but I'll keep this hello all over here, and I have two stops basically. So I have this color and this color, but if I want, I can add another stop over here. Click on this part, click on color, and I can change it to something else. Alright, so you can add as many stuff as you want. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. And let's click on outer shadow. So this is the outer shadow. I'm gonna turn it this way. And I'm gonna change the color to something else, maybe red. And I'm gonna add some distance. So you see, I can add that shadow there. So let me just move it up a little bit. And this is the intensity of our shadow. So I'll keep it like this. Yeah, and it's a good idea right now. I mean, our text looks great. So I'm gonna click on close now. And I want to change the background color to something darker. So I'm gonna click on the background curve layer. Maybe I'm gonna get rid of it actually. I'm gonna just click on delete. And now you see it's too white. So I'm gonna go to the brush tool again by pressing B on the keyboard. And let me change the color to something dark. Real dark. Much better. So now I'll keep it over here. Alright, so I'll not make this video a complete Affinity tutorial, but I'll make more tutorials in the future. But I hope that you have a basic understanding about how to use Affinity and how to get started. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about Affinity? It's amazing, in my opinion. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you'll like and subscribe.